for a change, let's talk about sanitary pads.
जो हम रेगुलर पैड्स यूज़ करते हैं, I cannot disclose the brand, but you can guess what I'm talking about. I can show you from far, but I can't reveal the brand names, and you know why. You can probably guess it by the look of it. रेगुलर पैड्स जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, तो डिड यू नो कि उसका ये जो पूरा बॉडी है, इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 90% प्लास्टिक्स यू नो आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. तो ये पैड जब हम यूज़ करके डिस्पोज करते हैं, इवन इफ़ यू आर डिस्पोजिंग इट इन अ रैपर एंड ऑल प्रॉपरली, हम उसको वेट वेस्ट बिन में डाल रहे हैं, बट फिर भी अगर ये लैंडफिल में भी जाएगा तो दिस विल टेक अराउंड 200+ years टू डिकम्पोज. एंड करंटली बेस्ड ऑन लैंडफिल्स कंडीशंस 200 साल में भी शायद ये पैड्स कभी डिग्रेड नहीं हो पाएगा, बायोडिग्रेड नहीं हो पाएगा. सो दैट्स द चैलेंज वी आर फेसिंग विद नॉन इको फ्रेंडली और रेगुलर पैड्स. These are the various eco-friendly pads available in the market. So these are some of the pads that I have tried, and I felt they are very comfortable. Most of these eco-friendly pads are either made of corn fiber, bamboo pulp, or banana fiber, and so on. So these are the 3 brands that I have used, and this is Carmesi. This is a Carmesi eco-friendly pad. So this pad is made out of कॉर्न फाइबर. इसका जो पूरा बॉडी है ये पूरा बायोडिग्रेडेबल है. दिस इज Carmesi pads that I have been using. Carmesi pads, this entire body, it is made up of
corn fiber.
So it has 0% plastic. So it is good for ourselves also, good for our health, and good for our menstruation, and good for the planet, because this will probably biodegrade in 6 months or so. Pieces, it comes with a very beautiful packaging. See, I'm not endorsing any products or anything. I just want to tell people ki what is the composition of the pads that we're using. We should at least know what kind of pads we're using. So P-Save is also a eco-friendly option that you can have, and it does not have any kind of plastic. Outer layer, it's made up of bamboo core. So this is again a plant-based alternative. So you can probably shift to this one also. And since these are biodegradable and these are in fact even compostable, so this will not be a litter problem, or this will not be a part of the waste problem that this kind of sanitary napkins usually are. Lush, guys. Lush is also a very good brand. I mean, the pads are very comfortable to use, and this also does not have any kind of plastics on it. These are also eco-friendly pads, and
The entire body of Lush pad is made out of 100% US cotton.
it does not contain any kind of plastics. So these pads are also biodegradable. If we are using this kind of pads, these are comfortable and all, they are good, they are very cheap as well. But the problem with this pad is iska jo pura body hai, it is made up of plastic. In fact, the regular pads that we use contains more than 90% plastics, and the absorbent coat जो हमने TV advertisements में भी देखा है, it's basically a chemical derived from petroleum products. It will take more than 200 years for this pads to biodegrade, and these pads will probably biodegrade in 6 months to 2 years time period based on research and studies. गाइस, इको फ्रेंडली पैड यूज़ करने से प्लानट के लिए तो अच्छा होता है, ये हमारे हेल्थ के लिए भी अच्छा होता है, बट इससे काफ़ी पैसे भी बचते हैं. ऑन एन एवरेज 25 ईयर्स तक एक लड़की मेंस्ट्रुएट करती है, एंड इन दैट पीरियड वो 3000 से 4000 पैड्स यूज़ करती है. इफ़ यू बाय नॉन इको फ्रेंडली या रेगुलर पैड्स, कम से कम 50,000 से 70,000 तक लाइफ टाइम उसका खर्चा होता है. इस पैड्स का भी 48 से लेके 50,000 तक का खर्चा होता है. ये दोनों में जो डिफरेंस है प्राइजेस में, इट्स अराउंड 15,000 to 20,000 का डिफरेंस है. बट द बेस्ट ऑप्शन दैट वी हैव इज़ दिस.
This is a menstrual cup.
Menstrual cups is the best eco-friendly option there is.
Material है, it's a silicone material.
It does not contain any plastic, और हमें रेगुलरली पैड्स यूज़ करने को डिस्पोज करने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, और दिस विल लास्ट फॉर अबाउट 5 to 10 years. अंडर स्पेशल कंडीशंस में इसको डिग्रेड किया जा सकता है. सो इससे वेस्ट प्रॉब्लम काफ़ी कम होता है सैनिटरी पैड्स का. A menstruating person can use menstrual cups for 5 to 10 years. So on an average, we would require 5 to 6 menstrual cups for a lifetime, and that cost us around only 2,500 to 3,000 bucks. So can you imagine the difference between the amount? मतलब 50,000 कहाँ पर है और 2,500 कहाँ पर है.
So this is the kind of benefits that we have, but there are many people still, I know my colleagues and friends who are still using the regular pads. So that's why I made this video. I hope this helps in creating awareness about the benefits of eco-friendly pads.